Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the devices visible to each other. First, verify both the laptop and target display are on the same Wi-Fi band. Different bands or guest SSIDs often prevent discovery. Next, enable the TV or monitor's screen share receiver, AirPlay on Apple TVs, Miracast on many smart TVs, or switch the display to the correct HDMI input for wired mirroring. Once done, open your laptop's display settings or the Connect app to begin scanning for the display. You're now ready to pick the target device. After the receiver appears, select it and choose whether to mirror or extend. Mirroring duplicates your screen. Extend gives extra desktop space. You should adjust resolution and scaling so text and UI elements remain sharp. Pick the display's native resolution when possible. Also, check orientation and arrange monitors if using Extend. If you want audio on the TV, switch the output device in sound settings and test playback. Once configured, confirm apps and windows appear where you expect. Make small tweaks to scaling. To finish, disconnect from the display using the system menu or the Connect app so your laptop reverts to its internal screen. If you experience lag, stuttering, or intermittent drops, move both devices closer to the router or switch to a 5 GHz network. For zero latency, plug an HDMI cable directly into the laptop. If the display never shows up, restart the laptop's networking and display services, update wireless and graphics drivers, and then retry Discovery. These steps fix most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.